Welcome to our movie about beautiful Antalya. Antalya, the capital of tourism and agriculture, has a goal to become the capital of sports tourism as well. One of these sport branches is of course bicycle tourism. The municipality has a plan to increase the 85-kilometer bicycle path network to 240 kilometers in the long term by 2040 and be among the top 10 bicycle cities in the world. Many different cycling tours are held in Antalya, like Tour of Antalya, or the famous White to Blue competition, which starts with the ski race in Antalya Winter Sports Center Saklikent, and continue with the cycling stage, and finally is completed with the swimming stage at the Konyadi beach. Skiing of 2.5 kilometers, cycling of 45 kilometers, and swimming of 500 meters triple race. Many professional cyclists make Antalya their cycling destination. They come here for training camp or cycling vacation. For all other bike riders, there is an evening bike Antalya city tour held every Tuesday at 8 p.m. from Cumhuriyet Maydani and goes to different destinations in the city. Antalya has a lot of bike programs where you can rent a bike, have friendly bike accommodation, and shops where you can do your bike repairs. The roads are great, double lane or one-way bicycle paths, painted blue and with markings. The bicycle path network increases year by year and passes through 11 neighborhoods. Today, we will take you for a ride on one of the nature walks and bicycle paths in Antalya. Yeşilçam Yolu is a 38 kilometers route organized in 2021 with signs, markings and benches to rest. The beginning of the path is in Sarısu neighborhood, near the roundabout, and leading through Road 38 Gedeller towards Road 2600. This beautiful nature path covering Sarısu, Gökdere, Gedeller, Gedeller, Akdamlar, Gökçam, and Doyran neighborhoods. Yeşilçam Yolu path consists of 2 stages of cycling and 4 stages of walking paths. QR code has been added to the large maps at TAC points. Thanks to this, the walkers or riders can download to their smartphones all valuable information about the road. In this way, they can easily learn the elevation of the stages, difficulty, distance, water source on the road, and plan their day and control it during the trip.
Vitamin D for face.
The signs are placed on every intersection so that the nature lovers safely take their walking and cycling tours without getting lost. Today, we will ride our bikes together on the first stage of Yeşilçam path.
Most beautiful spot.
Our route passes by Beaver Coffee Shop, Coliseum Garden Tree Houses, and Ergen Fish Restaurant. The road leads through Gökdere village houses, gardens and allotments. This is a grace from Allah and His favor, and Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. Passing by the village street, you can see many different seasonal fruits like pomegranates, oranges, figs, nectarines, olives, and grapes. We've seen many local vendors selling their products like organic eggs, fruits and juices. The road continues near a horse ranch. Sometimes the horses walking freely, and you can get to them really close or even feed them. When you reach to Gökdere gardening shop, you will see nearby small Gökdere mosque. Next to this beautiful and charming mosque there is Gökdere tack point. The riverbed looks beautiful, whether in wet season with water or in dry season without it. Gökdere tack point is a perfect place for a short rest. The 4 kilometers road was really easy and enjoyable. From now the elevation slowly rises, and at Altiniaka road reaches to 400 meters above the sea level. This stage of the road is 6.7 kilometers, asphalted and prepared for mountain and city bikes. Within the stage there are 2 spring water tap fountains and a river stream. Many citizens come here for picnics and leisure. Allah, la ilaha illahua. None has the right to be worshipped but He, and in Allah alone, therefore let the believers put their trust.
Kochani, zobaczcie, gdzie jest Hasan. Gdzie się wdrapaliśmy. I to czym? Naszymi rowerkami. Tak, zdobywcy gór.
Our road goes further towards rich and beautifully located villas and holiday houses in Gedeller village. This limestone massif is not the highest peak in this mountain range, which soar up to 3,000 meters altitude. But this mountain is important to all trad climbers, because it is close to Antalya's city and offers great quality climbing. There are around 84 routes in 9 different sectors. You can climb short or long, easy or difficult. This whole area has been declared also a bolt-free region. We have been enjoying the spectacular panoramic views, greenery, mountains in different shapes, luxurious villas. We have ascended to 250 meters above the sea level, and the views become more beautiful. The road has greeted us with tables and benches, located in the most beautiful places.
Hoo-hoo, are you falling? Are you a bird?
And say, all praise and thanks are Allah's, who has not begotten a son or offspring, and who has no partner in his dominion, nor is he low to have a wali helper, protector, or supporter, and magnify him with all magnificence. Allaahu Akbar, Allah is the most great. Gedeller village is also located on the famous, long-distance hiking trail, Lishan Way. Here, you may see many hikers, backpackers or climbers, while on their way or taking their rest in Gedeller camping places. Also, Antalya citizens come here to relax and on their weekend breaks. The fact that there are residential areas nearby along the Yeşilçam Yolu route makes people feel safer during their trips. We have reached small snack and drink place located just by the main road and next to spring water tap waterfall. We have ended our ascent with tasty Turkish tea and a nice chat with the locals. Thank you, Nancy. Our descent from about 300 meters above the sea level was smooth and very enjoyable. On the way we have stopped and bought some fresh oranges and finished the cycling trip before dark. We hope that we have encouraged you to come to Antalya for a nature holiday, rent a bike and do some spectacular panoramic trips like Yeşilçam Yolu, or simply take some break from staying on the beach, and do some hiking on the countless routes of Taurus Mountains. Thank you Antalya for this beautiful attraction.